Misha here, and today I've been just experimenting and playing, and all of a sudden I realized I am surrounded by an awesome color palette. So I went and grabbed me another old canvas that's just been laying around, and I'm gonna pour on top of this. So I've got some just titanium white. This is emerald green. I've got ocean green, sky blue, got some violet, some aquamarine, and I've got, some more white. I don't really have any black left, so we'll put that to the side. I've also got some Liquitex Gold. I might spray some of that on here, but I'm just going to pour a bunch of puddles. I've got my hair dryer. I'm gonna blow it around a little bit and we'll see what we get. Alright, this is crazy cool. I liked the blue and how that was taking over, so I want to go with that and knock some of the other colors off. I'm going to let this sit for just a little bit, bring you guys back in. Alright, so it's been about an hour and I think this is pretty settled. I'll tell you, my favorite parts are that blue negative space that popped up there, and I wanted to make that more, as you saw me pour a little bit more in that area. And then I love just dousing it with the gold and letting it separate and see where it decided to lay. So let's bring you in closer for a look. I love all the like hidden colors that are back there. You can see like purple peeking out and that emerald green peeking out. I just love this one. This turned out way cooler than I thought it was going to. And I had a lot of fun with it. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more coming. Please tell me what you think by commenting below. And do you have any experience with other spray paints is what I'm trying to say, besides the Liquitex, and what have you achieved with that, and have you been happy with it? Give me a little synopsis below. Alright guys, happy holidays, and until next time, take care.